Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve this interesting math Olympiad question. This question is a plus 2ab plus v is equal to 8. A plus v is equal to what? How to solve this question? So first of all, our question is a plus 2ab plus v is equal to 8. Yes. Now, I multiply both sides by 2, so it will be a plus 2av plus v is equal to 8. Then I multiply both sides by 2. Yes. So at this moment, I can easily this 2 times a, it will be 2a, plus this 2 times 2, it will be 4, and here is ab plus 2 times b, it will be 2v is equal to 16. Look, 8 times 2, it will be 16. Then I can easily, here is 2a is common, so 2a, so 2a divide a, it will be 1, plus 4av divide 2a, it will be 2v. Yes, 4 divide 2, it will be 2, and here is a divide a, it will be 1, and here is v, plus 2v is equal to 16. Yes. Now in this expression, I can easily, here is, look, 1 plus 2v, so here is 2b, so I add both sides 1, so 2a and 1 plus 2v, and I take here is 1, add 1, 2v is equal to 1 plus 16. Yes, I add both sides 1, this one and this one. Again, if I cancel out, we'll find out here is previous line. Then we'll find out here is 2a 1 plus 2v. In this case, I can say here is 1 is common, so 1 divide 1, it will be 1, plus 2v divide 1, it will be 2v is equal to 17. Look, 1 plus 16, it will be 17. Then we'll find out here is 1 plus 2v is common. Yes, this 1 plus 2v, here is 1 plus 2v, so it will be 1 plus 2a, 1 plus 2a is equal to 17. Now if I find out here is 17, yes, and now if I find out the factor, so here is I can say it is a 17 times 1 positive integer, and if I take here is minus 17 minus 1, it is also 17, so I can say this is equal to 17, this is equal to 1, this is equal to minus 17, and this is equal to minus 1. So we'll find out easily what is the value of a and v in this equation. So let's start. I can easily, here is 1 plus 2v is equal to 17. Yes, this time 1 plus 2a is equal to 1, 1 plus 2a is equal to 1. This is our first case, and our second case we'll find out here is 1 plus 2v is equal to minus 17, and I can say it will be 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1. Yes. Now if I take this equation, in this case I can say here is 1 plus 2b is equal to 17. Yes. Then here is 2b is equal to 16. 17 minus 1, it will be 16. Then if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out here is b is equal to 8. So we'll find out here is v is equal to 8. And look, here is 1 plus 2a is equal to 1. So if I take this equation, in this case, we'll find out 1 plus 2a is equal to 1. So I can say easily 2a is equal to 0. Because of that, 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So I can say easily a is equal to 0. Because of that, if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out here is a is equal to 0. So at this moment, our question is a plus v is equal to what? But we'll find out a is equal to 0, b is equal to 8. So I can say easily a plus v, it will be 0 plus 8, it will be 8. This is our answer. This is the value of a plus v in this maths Olympiad question. Okay, but if we take this equation, so I can say easily our first equation is 1 plus 2v is equal to minus 17. Yes. Now in this expression, I can say easily 2v is equal to minus 17 minus 1, it will be minus 18. Then if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out v is equal to 2. If I cancel out 2 to cancel, minus 9. Yes, we'll find out v is equal to minus 9. And here is other equation. We'll find out this equation. It will be 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1. Then I can say easily, here is 2a is equal to minus 2. Look, minus 1 minus 1, it will be minus 2. Then if we divide both sides by 2, we'll find out a is equal to minus 1. But our question, a plus v is equal to what? So a, it will be minus 1, and v is it will be minus 9, and we'll find out a plus v is equal to minus 10. This is our other final answer. This is the value of a plus v. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.